I stood there staring at a tiny, sticky square of plastic and wondered if this was actually the future of medicine, or just a very expensive way to decorate my arm. We are constantly being sold the idea that health can be as simple as a sticker. No more giant pills to swallow, and no more bitter powders to gag down every morning. This specific patch claims to deliver the benefits of moringa and berberine directly through your skin. It sounds like a total game changer for anyone into biohacking. But the moment I peeled it off the backing, the skepticism started to set in. It felt exactly like a thin bandage. There was no weight to it and no real substance. I slapped it on my shoulder and waited. I wanted to feel a surge of vitality. I wanted my brain fog to lift like a morning mist. I waited for that metabolic kick to start working its magic. But as the day went on, the only thing I felt was the slight tug of the adhesive on my skin. This is the big issue with transdermal delivery for these types of ingredients. Your skin is not a sponge. It is a highly effective barrier designed to keep the world out. Forcing complex plant molecules through that barrier is a massive hurdle. Most companies just ignore this reality. They rely on the fact that we want things to be easy. We want the results without the routine. But when you look at the science, swallowing a supplement is still the king of delivery. Your gut knows what to do with nutrients. It breaks them down and sends them where they need to go. With a patch, you are essentially gambling on whether anything is actually making it into your bloodstream. The marketing for these products is brilliant. They use terms like sustained release and maximum absorption to make you feel like you are using space-age technology. In my experience, it felt more like a wellness gimmick. I did not see any change in my energy or my focus. There was no measurable impact on my day at all. This feels like a classic case of a product designed for social media rather than for biology. It looks great in a photo but fails in the real world. If you are looking for the benefits of these plants, go for the capsules. Use the powders. Stick to the methods that have decades of proof behind them. Your health is too important to leave to a piece of tape. Save your money for high-quality supplements that actually cross the finish line. This patch might be convenient, but convenience that does not produce results is just a waste of time. I am calling this one a fad. It is a clever idea that falls flat in practice. Do not get distracted by the shiny packaging. Real wellness is found in what you actually put into your body, not what you stick on the surface. You deserve better than a decorative sticker. If you want to see real changes, you have to do the work. Use products that your body can actually process. This patch is a shortcut that leads nowhere. I would choose a traditional supplement every single time because they actually work. Health is never that simple. You cannot just bypass the way your body is built. For these specific herbs, the patch is more of a fashion statement than a health tool. It is time to focus on what actually delivers.